Hi, I'm Andy Slammons from Amazing Freedom, and this channel is about all things selling private label products and building brands on Amazon. And today, we're going to share with you something that many sellers don't know about. That's negotiating with your supplier, the potential defective rate, and how they need to refund you before you start your production run. So typically, when you're manufacturing products, whatever they are, you're gonna have about a 2 to 3% defective rate. And manufacturers in China know this and understand this. So I wanna share with you something that very little brand builders and private label sellers on Amazon do. Before you start that production run, you wanna negotiate with that factory that for all the returns that you receive on Amazon for a defective reason, so that's where the customer puts the reason for the return as defective, that manufacturer will reimburse you for the cost of goods on that product. Generally, you're gonna see about a 2 to 3% defective rate. Why do you wanna do this? You wanna talk to the manufacturer up front for a few reasons. Number one, if they've been manufacturing for any amount of time, they understand and realize that in a 100% production run, just for human errors or for machine errors, that there will be about a 2 to 3% defective rate. And so by you kind of letting the cat out of the bag and letting them know that expectation, it's gonna make it a lot easier then when you do start receiving those returns to download that report from Amazon, to send it to that manufacturer and say, hey, look, your product is awesome, it's really good, but I need you to help me on these defective returns. Can you please reimburse me the cost of goods? You teach the manufacturer all the costs that are involved in selling on Amazon. So you pay a pick and pack and a fulfillment fee if that product is in FBA. If you're merchant fulfilling, you know that there's shipping costs involved. So you allow that manufacturer to understand all the fees that are involved to you besides the cost of goods. So you're still not even breaking even sometimes on the product, but you're just asking the manufacturer to partner with you and to acknowledge that there could be a 2 to 3% defective rate, and then just to get them up front before that production run starts to reimbursing you for those 2 to 3% defective units that generally most Amazon sellers are gonna have when those customers return products. So depending on the volume you're doing, it could be a lot of money. But you want to negotiate that with the manufacturer up front, and you want to be transparent with them. And so you are going to download the actual report from Amazon so that manufacturer can see the reasons that customers return them. So I hope that's helpful. I hope that you get into that discussion with the manufacturer. If you're already doing this with your manufacturer, leave some comments below on how it's working for you. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, we encourage you to join our Amazing Freedom Facebook group. It's full of thousands of Amazon private label sellers, and there's a ton of helpful information there. Check out all of our other videos here on this channel that are about all things selling private label products on Amazon. And as always, thanks so much for watching.